This is the camel. They are often called the desert ship because they can go very long without water. That's what they sound like. This puma is a skilled hunter. It can jump more than 6 meters high. It can scream like this. This is a hippopotamus. The hippo is the third largest. It weighs up to 4 tons. They live in Africa. That's how they growl. This is a cheetah. The cheetah is one of the fastest predators and can run at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. It cannot growl loudly. This is the blue whale. It is the largest mammal on Earth. It weighs up to 173 tons. They live in the oceans. They can sing like that. This is a brontosaurus. Unfortunately, the dinosaurs are extinct. One of the big ones weighed up to 40 tons. They made a sound like this. This is a chimpanzee monkey. They are the most similar animals to humans. They are intelligent and easy to train. They are able to make this kind of scream. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are considered the most intelligent animals in the world. They are friendly. They can make these sounds. These are kangaroos that live in Australia. They can jump a distance of up to 12 meters. They can stand on their tail. They make this sound. These are the bees. They love to toil and extract nectar to make honey. They live as a big family. They buzz with their wings. This is a koala. A koala is not a bear. Koalas like eucalyptus. They like to sleep during the day. They can scream like that. This is a raccoon. It's a very cute animal. He likes to eat. He can make more than 10 sounds. Here's one of them. This animal is an armadillo. Its body is covered with a hard shell. It can curl up into a ball. It makes a loud sound. This is a baboon monkey. They live in packs. Very aggressive and dangerous animals. They can scream like that. This is an eagle, a bird of prey. It has very good eyesight, able to see its prey from 3 kilometers away, so it screams. This is an otter. It loves water. It is also a very playful animal when it is full. It likes to go down the slide. It can scream like that. This is a fly. It lives practically everywhere where it is warm. You probably know this insect very well. It is a mountain lion, a close relative of the common lion. Only it is smaller in size and can growl. This is a killer whale. All orcas are black and white, but sometimes there are only black and only white. They make this sound. This fox is a predatory animal and belongs to the wild dogs. The most common species is the red fox. It is able to scream like this. This is a hedgehog. Hedgehogs are covered with needles. When in danger, they curl up in a ball against predators. They can make squeaking noises. This is another species of armadillo. It has a shell made of bone. They like small insects. This is a polar bear. They have a very good sense of smell. They can smell prey up to 20 kilometers away. They make this growl. This is a bat. They eat frogs, insects, and drink blood. They hide in a dark place during the day. They make these noises. This is a common mouse. It lives in the woods and also in some basements of houses. They can squeak loudly. It's a Tyrannosaurus, an extinct species of predatory dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus is one of the most fearsome predators on Earth. It made a roar like this.